Hi, I hope you are enjoying answering the Lean and Six Sigma question. And today's question is, benchmarking is concerned with finding and comparing organization processes to option A, competitors' processes, option B, dissimilar organization processes or some other organization's processes, option C, totally different organizations from different domains from the processes of those organizations, or D, all of the above. So the question is asking about benchmarking. So benchmarking can be done with the competitors only or with any organization in the world. Maybe it may be from your domain or not from your domain. So please answer the question by writing in the comments below.